Okay, I got them, and I got the variety pack. I don't know what flavor to try first, so maybe leave me a comment and tell me what's the best flavor, but I think I might just do the original because it's my first time trying them. I'm gonna cook these up and then we'll come back and eat them. My egg. I'm so excited to try these, you guys, because I have never even heard of them until that guy right there told me to try them. So if they suck, it's on you, dude. They smell good, and I love ramen, so it's like I don't feel like I could go wrong. I'll show you all the flavors that you get in this variety pack while this is cooling down. You get Korean spicy chicken, sambal hijau. Okay, if you guys want to let me know what these are in the comments, feel free. Grilled chicken with lime, spicy chicken, Korean cheese, and the original that I'm eating right now. They look really good. Even though I don't know what some of them are. Let's dig in. First bite. Mmm. Oh my. Those are really good. These are delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Can you guys let me know in the comments what flavor out of all those is the best? Please. Mm. Mm-hmm. If you want to try them and your store doesn't have them, they are down there in that orange cart. Of course, you can buy them right here on TikTok. That's where I got mine. Last bite. Thank you.